Alright, so I said I wasn't going to record, but I got motivation, so I'm going to start. I'm installing subs, so I got this amp for right now, get another amp Sunday, and then I've got this box that is made for the spare wheel well. Obviously I can't use that because that's where all my bag stuff is. So Zach is going to trade me his box. That's kind of just like a square box, but we'll keep our own subs. So I've been wanting to put subs in here for so long, but like I just can't do the non-hidden. Like my brain doesn't like that it's not hidden. So it's either air suspension or subs, not both in my brain. But I don't know, I really like it. I miss it. I miss having, real bass, because I mean these speakers are old. They don't work for shit, dude. Like they got no bass. I could like feel the difference going from like the X5 to the Wagon. And I don't know, I just want it. So I decided to just let the sub do its thing. But I will have the sub just kind of sitting over here. The amp, I'm still going to mount hidden. It's going to go under this tray back here. That's why I'm trading the amp, because the other amp is smaller. So I'm going to trade the amp and the box for more compact. I don't care if it's like, not as powerful of an amp as this one, because some bass is better than no bass to me, so I don't care. And if it's hidden, at least the amp's hidden and those wires are hidden, like I won't stress so much about it. So what I've done right here is, this is the wire from my battery to the fuse, and then I just cut this wire that's gonna go from the fuse to the actual amp. Ground cable obviously is just easy. I don't think it's gonna reach all the way to the negative post on the body, so I might have to figure something out. I don't like self-tapping things, but if I have to, I have to. So yeah, let me get back to soldering and then I'll be right back. Alright, bear with me as I don't have much light in here and it's too hot to open the garage. Did get the power wire ran. Wherever it is, there it is. Don't connect it yet, obviously. That's right under there. I got the fuse, and then of course I've got my ground wire as well. These I will probably have coming out here for now until I get that other amp in which I will be able to just have hidden under here instead. So I'm going to figure out where to run those. Or actually I'll just remove one of these. Yep. And run the wires out of here. Boom. There we go. Now that's good. Now I just need to run the remote wires all the way back, the RCA cable, or one remote wire, and then the RCA cables all the way to back. So I'm going to go ahead and start removing the interior. I'm going to pretty much remove obviously the head unit, because I got to get back there, remove this whole center console piece, remove the back seats, and then get the wire ran from the center console area all the way through into the back seat and behind, and get everything hidden. That's how I like to do things. So let me get to ripping the interior apart and I'll be back. Quick update, got the interior all mangled whatever. I got the amp control wire set, the RCA cables all set. So now I'm just gonna run everything out through the back, put this shit back together, and test it out. But man, this shit's a pain in the ass, dude. Also, my AC vent was cracked for so long, and I finally put the replacement piece in. I also have another one just in case I break this one also. So they are fragile and I hate them, but I've got replacements, so we're good to go. Time to finish this up. Alright, so I ran everything under the carpet. Time to put the carpet back on. That was a bigger pain in the ass than I anticipated. Shout out my wire hanger for coming in clutch. So now I got all this. Just gotta run it through the back. Don't feel like removing the whole thing, so I'm just gonna put the seats down and see if I can access the centerpiece by just rolling the seats down. What are you doing over here? Oh my goodness. What a weirdo. Got the interior fully back together, front and rear. Now I just need to connect the power to the battery, put all this back together, connect my amp sub, test it out. In theory, it should work. Audio is not that big of a deal, but yeah, let me get to putting that, and then I'll open the garage door so I can turn the car on, because I've been doing a lot of keying the ignition without turning the car on, a lot of open doors and stuff. I don't want the battery to die while I'm testing the sub, so let me stop talking and get to it. Temp setup is fully wired in or whatever. I will have to play something that isn't going to get me a copyright claim. Bear with me. Finally got bass in the wagon. I'm fucking excited. That's it for this video. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys next time.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them Vogues. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my clique. Let them see how out they gone, out the blicks. Pray to God, rapper